just before we are going to start our session, just we are going to discuss brief information about QTP and load runner.
Okay.
Okay, Kelvin?
Yep.
Yeah. See, before we are going to enter into the session, first we have to know what are the different tools we are using for testing. It may be QTP or QC or load runner, Selenium, Rational Robot, Test Partner, Silk Test, Test Director, Bugzilla. See, so many tools are there. Okay, see, every tool has its own assistance. Okay, so first we are going to check it out. What are the tools we are going to use in our regular work? Is it able to understand?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Krishna?
Yeah, okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, is it clear? Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah. So in the meanwhile, just I am going to ask some questions just for your activation purpose. Okay, just give me the reply. Okay, fine. Come on, Krishna. What is manual testing?
It's just an execution.
See, Seema, whatever you want to say, just you can say.
Okay. It's just an executing a program with an intent to find an error.
Little bit louder. Little bit louder.
It's an executing a program with an intent to find an error.
Okay. Have you learned manual testing? Have you completed your manual testing?
No, not yet. Not yet, Ramakrishna. I'm just reading it. That's it.
Okay. Let it be. See, come on, Mukesh. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
What is manual testing?
Yeah, to me, manual testing is a process which involves two methods basically. One is verification and validation, and in one way or the other, we utilize these two methods in order to verify whether a piece of a program or an application under consideration works fine as per the specified requirements.
Very good, fine. Very simple way you told. That's very good, fine. See, remember, Krishna.
Yeah.
Testing is nothing but we are not testing the function, we are not testing the code, or we are not interacting with the program.
Okay.
Okay, being a test engineer, always we are going to interact with the functional part of an application, not as the program part of an application.
Okay.
We see you are using Gmail, Facebook. Right now we are using GoToMeetings. Remember, we don't know on which technology the corresponding application has been developed. We no need to bother about it, because being a test engineer, our intention is that if I click on mic button, whether the speaker is going to on or off. If I click on screen recorder button, whether it is showing the screen recorder or not. Nothing but according to my opinion or according to my requirement. See, I am not talking about company style, just I am talking about myself. According to the corresponding functionality is working according to my opinion or my expectations or not is called testing. Remember, I am saying testing, not manual testing. Okay, so testing is nothing but whether the developed application is working according to the customer expectations or not. Whether the developed application is working. See, you purchased, assume that you purchased a iPhone.
Okay.
You have to verify whether this iPhone is working according to my expectations or not. In the same way, once the application has been developed, being a test engineer, we have to check whether the application is satisfying the corresponding customer requirements or not, or whether the application has been developed according to the customer requirements or not. We need to check. That is called testing. See, let it be. See, for testing there is no baseline definition. Suppose if anyone will ask what is a plus b whole square is equal, directly we can say a square b square something. Yeah. But if anyone will ask what is testing, just know that he said that is the process of verification plus validation. Remember, being a test engineer, what are the questions they are going to ask in real time? Just you have to say in your own way. Don't assume that this is the fundamental, this is the way, this is the definition we have to say. There is no specifications for like that. Okay, let it be. So simple way I am going to say what is manual testing is nothing but very simple. Testing an application with human interaction is called manual testing.
Okay.
That's it. Enough. Testing an application with human interaction.
Okay.
Writing test cases, executing the test cases, and verify whether the application working, or we have to verify actual value and compare with expected. If both are matched, then we can give the result as pass, otherwise fail. See, manual testing is nothing but testing an application with human interaction. Okay. Got it or not?
Yeah.
Okay, testing an application with human interaction is called manual testing. Okay, see, already manual testing completed, then why we should go for automation testing? Automation testing completed, why we need to go for performance testing? Is it not possible to do performance testing with human beings? Is it not possible to do automation testing with human beings? Why companies are implementing tools? Okay, the main point is not. So first we are going to discuss about automation testing. The main intention of automation testing is to conduct regression testing. Remember, to conduct regression testing on the corresponding application. For that, we need to conduct automation testing. Remember, regression is nothing but simple way. One person has gone to hospital. Assume that that person is one application. See, that application has some problem, nothing but he has some problem in his heart. Remember, that heart area has been modified. That heart area has been modified. The corresponding person, nothing but that application has been released. Remember, see, that application has been, the human body has been released from the hospital. Again, we need to check whether these modifications, what are the defect areas have been fixed by the doctors. Again, we need to check this heart area is going to show any side effects on its nearby functionalities. Remember, heart, liver, lungs. Let's see, here we have to check. See, defect has been fixed in the heart area. Again, we need to check whether this defect area is going to show any side effects on already tested functionalities. That is called the regression testing. Nothing is there. We see, we want to check login, compose mail, send mail, inbox. See, nothing but we need to check Gmail application. Login is working properly. Remember, inbox. In inbox, delete module is not working properly. Compose mail is working properly, send mail is working properly, but delete is not working properly. See, delete has some defect. Delete has some defect now. See, the delete button has been modified by the development team. Here we need to check. Here we need to check whether delete button is going to show any side effects on reply button, forward button, or on main inbox link. Remember, whether delete button is going to show any side effects. Delete button is going to show any side effects on the modified or existing functionality, tested functionalities. That is called regression testing. Remember, that is called regression testing. Okay, so regression testing time only we are going to implement some automation tools. Regression testing time only we are going to use some automation tools. Okay, there are so many tools we have in the market. So we will discuss the tools. See, what is automation testing? See, manual testing. This is manual testing. Remember, this is AUT. AUT is nothing but application, not automation. Application under test. Remember, application under test. Remember, already we completed manual testing on the application. Nothing but not we completed 100% manual testing on the application. Just we have completed some of the part of manual testing. See, here we have one tool, QTP. Assume that, see, our subject is QTP, that's why we are implementing here QTP. If it is Selenium, directly we can go with Selenium. See, manual testing time, what we have done, directly we are going to interact with the application. Test engineer, directly he is going to interact with the application. See, AUT is nothing but not automation, that is application under test. Manual testing is nothing but testing an application with a human being, human interaction. See, yeah, here we completed manual testing. What is automation testing? What is automation testing? See, manual test engineer is going to give some instructions to the tool. Manual test engineer is going to give some instructions to the tool. According to his instructions, tool is going to perform some operations on the application. Sorry. So automation testing is nothing but it's a process of instructing. Remember, ma, you have car. Just you are giving some instruction. Just click on or pressing on the accelerator, and just handling the what we say. Clutch, gear, and steering. See, we are giving some instructions to the corresponding tool. Nothing but your car is a tool. What manual test engineer is doing here, he is giving some instructions to the tool. According to his instructions, he is going to perform some operations on the application. Automation testing is nothing but it's the process of instructing the tool. We are instructing the QTP, tool, open application, enter username, enter password. Like that, we are giving some instructions to the tool. According to our instructions, the corresponding tool is going to perform some operations on the application. That is called automation testing. Remember, automation testing is nothing but giving some instructions to the tool to perform a major task rather than manually. Krishna, got it?
Yeah.
Hello, Deva?
Yeah, I got it.
Got it or no?
Yep.
Is it clear?
Yep.
Right. Who is the person? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. So, Alok, have you
Yes,
got it?
I have just joined in the meantime, so I'm getting it exactly what you are talking right now.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is called automation testing. Whatever we discuss, that is automation testing. See, what we are learning in automation testing is nothing but in which way we are going to control the tool. Remember, ma, how we are going to controlling the tool, how we have to give the instructions, the QTP, that information, that scripting we are going to learn under automation testing. Remember, ma, in manual testing, simple way we are going to write a test case. The first test case, see, if you open any first test case, by default we are going to write like this: open the corresponding browser. See, here I am mentioned as IE, open IE. See, this is manual testing. See, this is the test case we have written for opening an application. See, same thing we are going to see. For that, we are going to write a script in automation testing. A script in automation testing. See. Just we are intimating to QTP, tool, open. See, this is a script. System util.run. Which browser we want to open? In which browser we want to open? That browser name we have to write here. Internet Explorer, comma. Which browser you want to open? See, don't give it like this. www. See, here I am writing gmail.com. See, manual testing. Open your open browser. Enter URL. Click on go button. See, this is automation testing. See, what are the script we have seen here? That is automation script. See, QTP doesn't know that English now. OpenIE, that information QTP doesn't know. So, whatever the script QTP will understand, in that way we have to give the script. We have to give the instruction, that is VB scripting. See, in VB scripting only, if you want to intimate anything, QTP will understand. Otherwise, it doesn't understand anything. See, it knows Java also. No need to worry. Java scripting also. If you know Java scripting, just you can write JavaScript also. Okay. This is called automation testing. Okay. Next one. There are so many tools we are using for testing. See, we are using for testing. Okay, not using for testing the application. There are so many tools we are using for conducting testing. Testing is nothing but not testing the application. Remember, already we know what is testing is nothing but it's the both combination of verification plus validation. Testing is nothing but not testing the application, testing the documents also. Okay, so testing application purpose, we have some tools. Testing documents, see, testing documents are nothing but just we are going to share the documents information in one tool. So there are 4 types of tools in the market. 4 types of tools we have in the market. Four types of tools. There are 4 types of tools. The first one is called, the first tool is called, first one, functional testing tool. Functional testing tools. Remember, functional testing tools, very, very important. Without knowing this information, so many people, so many students are doing like, what is QC? Yeah, it's a testing tool. QC is a testing tool. Which type of testing tool QC is? See, remember, that information we need to know. That there are so many tools such as, first one, functional testing tools. See, these tools we are using to check the functionality of an application. See, these tools we are going to check, we are using to check the functionality of an application. See. See, here we are checking the functionality. See. See here, if I click on Gmail, whether application is displaying Gmail page or not. See, I need to check that information. That is called functional testing. If I log into the application, is whether the application is allowing me to access a Gmail application or not. See, clicking on Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, make Google my home page. Okay, Google search. I'm feeling lucky. See, these all are functionalities. If we use some tools to test the corresponding functionalities, those tools are called functional testing tools. The functional testing tools, very famous and familiar tool is QTP. Next, routing tool, Selenium. Next one, old version tools, Windrunner, Silk test. See, so many tools are there. Some internal tools are there. Okay, these tools we are going to use for functional testing purpose. Second one, performance testing tools. Performance testing tools we are going to check, we are using to check the performance of an application. The main intention of performance testing is we have to check page response time. That is very important in performance testing. If you open Google Chrome, you type google.in, google.com. See, people are not that much of patience to wait whether the page is opening or not. See, within the seconds, within 1 or 2 seconds, whether the page is loading, that information we need to check under performance testing. The main intention of conducting performance testing is, okay, we are measuring the page load time. Remember, we are measuring the page loading time. That is performance testing. Okay, and see, if we want to conduct performance testing, we have some tools. The foremost important tool, see, there is no tool like LoadRunner. Very, very, very important tool. See, we have competition with the QTP with Selenium. Next one, we have competition with the QC with some internal tools, but there is no competitor at all for LoadRunner. Okay, very, very important tool, LoadRunner and JMeter. Okay, these tools we are going to use for performance testing purpose. Next one, management tools. Management tools. Okay, test management tools, we can say it as. Okay, see, these management tools we are using to check to maintain entire our testing process. For the purpose we are using some management tools. Okay, so these tools are QC, test director. Okay, so these tools are called test management tools. Test management tools are nothing but, see, we have one life cycle, that is the software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle. See, in that life cycle we have test plan, test analysis, test designing, test execution, test process. See, all these activities we are going to perform under one tool. The tool is called Quality Center. We can write manual test cases, we can write automation test cases, we can execute the same in the corresponding tool, and automatically tool is going to generate some informations and graphs, everything. So these tools we are going to use to improve our testing process. Such tools are called test management tools. Next one, fourth one, bug tracking tools. Bug tracking tools. Okay, bug tracking tools, the name itself it is indicating only these tools are useful for bug tracking purpose, such as familiar tool, Bugzilla, bug tracker, next one, issue log or issue tracker. So many tools are there. See, some internal tools will be there. Okay, see, these tools, all tools are open source tools. Okay. Next one, some companies are using some of the tools like some tools are there. The tools are used for maintains our documentation purpose. Such tools are called configuration management tools. Configuration management tools. Those tools are VSS, Visual Safe Source, and PVCS, Polytron Version Control System, CVSS. Okay. So many tools are there. See, these many tools we are using to improve our testing process, entire testing process, whether it is manual, automation, performance, whatever. Okay, so there are majorly 4 types of tools, such as functional testing tools, performance testing tools, test management tools, bug tracking tools, and some of the companies are using configuration management tools. See, this configuration management tool already interacted with Quality Center. Okay, see, if company people are using Quality Center, again extra they don't need to use VSS or PVCS or CVS. Okay, see, QC itself it has some version control tools. Okay, this is about functional testing and the interaction of performance testing. And one more thing we have to check. See, if you have little bit knowledge on C++, see, we are not implementing, we are not writing lengthy programming. See, here we are writing scripts. Okay, script is nothing but it is a medium level language. Nothing but it is a simple level language. It's not like what we say Java, .NET like that. Okay. So if you have a little bit knowledge on for loop, while loop, do, until, see, this is enough to improve our automation knowledge. Okay. In this 10 days or 15 days automation classes, we are going to learn depth VB scripting. Okay. And come to performance testing. See, some of performance testing time we have to give some correlations, parameterization. Okay, next one we have to create some virtual users. We have to write the business logics. See, at that time we have to have some little bit C++ knowledge. Okay, more than that, we just, if you have to 10 to 15% of C language knowledge, that is enough for QTP and performance testing. Okay, QTP is a separate tool. It is not interacted with the load runner. Load runner is a separate tool. Okay, that is for performance testing, and this is for functional testing. Okay, after completion of functional testing, we are going to with performance testing. See, functional testing. See, we have one procedure like system testing. System testing is a combination of both functional testing and non-functional testing. See, remember, very simple thing we are going to check. Suppose if I give an iPhone mobile to you, if I give just you can test the corresponding application. You people have to check the functionality, whether the functions messages are working properly, phone contacts are working properly, whether the functionalities are working properly. Nothing but on that iPhone, just as of now you conduct functional testing. Nothing but we have to check functionalities. Messages are working properly, contacts are working properly. Okay, see, if we dial the number, whether automatically it has been divided into the US standards or not. So that thing we have to check under functional testing. Okay, functional testing. Once the functional testing have been completed, again we need to check. See, continuously if I used iPhone up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, how it is performing. Here we are going to conduct non-functional testing. Non-functional testing, under non-functional testing we are going to conduct performance testing. Next one, load testing. Remember, performance is nothing but, see, single user, single operation, how much time the corresponding application is performing. Nothing but, see here, for iPhone purpose, the performance testing is nothing but checking the performance of the battery, how it is working. Next time, loading. One side I am playing games, one side I am listening music, and one way I am chatting with my friends. See, load is increasing, nothing but three users, three different operations we are performing on the corresponding mobile. There we have to check how exactly the battery is performing. Okay, if you want to test any application, whether it is Gmail, Facebook, Yahoo, Google, everything, anything, there we need to conduct first functional testing, then non-functional testing. These two combinations are called system testing. System testing. Got it or not? Hello? Hello?
Yep.
Hello. Mr. Ramakrishna, I had a question.
Come on.
The thing is that when we say about web services testing, so where is exactly the web services is covered? Like when I talk about SOAP UI and all.
Sorry?
When I say about the web services testing the
Okay.
web services,
Okay.
so under which section is this covered? Like
Web services.
yes.
Web services will come into performance testing.
Performance testing.
Yeah. Because always we are, see, performance always interacted with the servers and web services and different browsers.
Okay. Okay.
Deba?
Yeah, my question is mainly on the training perspective. I just want to know. See, basically, I'm a little bit eager to go for this load runner, but
Okay.
I just want to know, like, I don't know anything about scripting. Maybe be it for QTP or be it for load runner.
I will teach you. No need to worry about that.
Yeah, the other thing is that I was just wondering, like, once I complete load runner,
Okay.
because I will give you the reason for my thought process. It is
Okay.
just that instead of QTP, will you be able to help me out with Selenium?
Selenium, it's secondary. See,
So why I'm telling you that? Let me give you a reason for this. See, I'm in Australia right now. Okay.
okay.
In Australia, the market for Selenium is much more than QTP. QTP has started to phase out in Australia.
Okay.
So Selenium, because Selenium, as I know, is an open source tool, companies are much more leveraging this particular tool in testing practices and not QTP. So that's why I was just wondering, like, I'm just giving a thought about it. If you feel that learning QTP would be more beneficial in order to learn Selenium at a later stage, then it's fine with me. But I was just wondering, like, instead of QTP, if I can go for Selenium, will you be able to help me out, or?
See, already you told that I don't know scripting and all these things.
Yep.
Okay, but if you want to learn Selenium,
Mm-hmm.
definitely you have to have core Java knowledge. Core Java.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and see, load runner is different from QTP and Selenium. If you know, load runner,
that I know. Load runner and QTP mainly involves with the VB scripting, and Selenium involves with JavaScript.
that is very advantage to you, because see, Selenium, it may be or may not be within 1.5 to 2 years, because the new version is launching, already launched with, I think, QTP 11.5. Okay, it has so many features compared to Selenium. Okay, see, if you want to learn Selenium, definitely I will teach you Selenium. But before you are going to learn Selenium, definitely you have to have basic core Java knowledge, like OOPs, inheritance, classes, methods, functions.
Okay.
Mr. Ramakrishnan, just to interrupt, I would like to help Deva about it. Hi Deva, I'm Alok.
Yeah, hi.
And,
Hello.
I'm working as an automation tester, and that too in Selenium for last 1.5 years or so. So I totally agree with Ramakrishna. Like for when you go for QTP, you get a lot of functions, lot of things to support you. But when you go for Selenium, it's just that you need to have a bit of Java knowledge. That's for sure. A bit, I would say, in the sense like you should be having knowledge of core Java. In terms of, like you were telling, like you should be knowing about loops, you should be knowing about functions, methods. Those are simple Java things that you would be required about.
See, one thing I can say straightly to you, because see, if you learn QTP, you can enjoy your testing job. If all of a sudden, if you want to start Selenium, if you want to start Selenium, definitely you feel some bore, because see, I'm saying about my experience. I came from BCom background. I'm not MCA or BTech person. See, purely I came from non-IT background. See, the tool QTP I learned in a systematic way. So this time really I completed nearly, I thought nearly 5,000 students above.
Okay.
Okay, see, once you learn QTP, automatically without knowing your notice, you can able to learn Selenium. See, straight away if you learn Selenium, definitely you will quit your testing job.
Yeah. I got your point. Yeah, this is exactly. I wanted to have some kind of an idea before going for any kind of training.
Definitely. Because see, the first day demo class, when I am going to start as a manual testing demo, straight away I am going to say, if you want to test any application, we no need to depend upon any other technology for manual testing. See, that reason people are able to understand manual testing very simple way. See, and in automation, QTP also I am going to teach in a simplest way, and automatically after 15 days or 20 days, we will go into peak mode. Very high stage we are going to learn in QTP. Suppose if I start saying Selenium, we have to download what we say Selenium ID. Next one RC. Next one what we say? We have to download so many things.
I sincerely got your point, Ramakrishna. My second question would be like, whatever I am going to learn, be it load runner or be it QTP, will it be a practical oriented approach?
Definitely.
Shall we be working together into a demo tool, or it is just going to be based on theoretical concepts?
No, definitely. See, Manish, Divan, just I am going to give one example to you. Just you people have to work on the corresponding example. Okay, I will assign some tasks to you.
Okay.
Okay, just you can work on it automatically without knowing your notice. You will be getting good knowledge on QTP. See, not a demo sessions, and not what we say directly. It is not a simple tasks. Okay, I will give extraordinary knowledge in QTP and load runner. See, Selenium, I am little bit poor. Not only little bit poor, I am deadly poor in Selenium because I don't know the tool, but I know basic concepts of Selenium. Okay, see, but in for QTP and load runner, I will give 100% assurance because I have so many students in US, UK, and Singapore, Malaysia, in India. Okay, I train nearly 5,000 students above. See, somehow definitely if you type QTP best notes in Google, automatically you will be getting my notes.
Okay.
Okay, so you no need to worry about QTP and load runner. See, Selenium, if you want to learn, just I will give some suggestions and I will provide material to you.
Okay, and one more very important question. At the end of the course, will you be assisting us with the certification process? Like, will you be guiding us how to write the certification? What are the steps to involve in clearing the certification and how to prepare for the certification?
Definitely. See, automation testing certification is very simple. Whatever the tools, navigations we have in QTP headers, we have file, insert, view, edit, icons, some icons there. Just if you have good knowledge on the corresponding area, automatically you can able to write the corresponding exam systematically. No need to worry about it. Very simple. That is objective oriented questions.
Okay.
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 Satish? Who is Satish?
No, Satish is my husband.
Krishna?
Krishna, yeah, Satish is my husband, Ramakrishna.
Oh, okay, fine. A little bit louder, man. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions, particularly because I'm also a non-IT, so I don't have an idea about it.
You no need to worry about non-IT background, IT background. Definitely, I will teach you in a systematic way. You no need to worry about the subject.
Okay.
Okay, just it is like a spoon feeding.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm from a medical background, so I don't have very vague idea.
See, frankly, I am speaking. See, I came from BCom background.
Okay.
Okay, see, for the last 8.5 years onwards, I am into this testing field. For the last 5 years onwards, I am in as a faculty field. Okay. Any doubts? Hello?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Fine. Okay, if you have interest, just intimate to that Bigclasses people. Yes, they are going to intimate to me, and we are going to start our classes on Monday itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
By the way,
Thanks, Ramakrishna. Thanks for your time.
I love that.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.